Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing my first ever Blythe. Well, it's a fake factory Blythe, not like an official Blythe, and it's for the YouTuber Dolls Rescue's Mermaid Blythe collab that she's doing. I'm part of it and this is my Blythe for it. Now I'm going to unbox it. Okay, so here she is out of the box. Box. Now, you might know she didn't come with any clothes. That's how some Blythes come. And for those of you who don't know what Blythes are, they're like this. They have large heads and small bodies, and initially I thought they were kind of creepy, and I think it's actually just the eyes they come with, because those colors, that is definitely kind of scary eyes. But this little string thingy back here allows you to change their eyes. Because when you do that, and then it opens, and they have 4 different little eye thingies, and it kind of rotates around. And so next eye color is that, and then that one. I think for now I'm going to have her on the blue because it matches her hair the best. And her hair is, if you can't tell, it's a purple and blue, like a blue with like little purple strands in it. And when I do the customizing on her, I will remove the pre-existing face paint for my custom. I don't think I'm going to say what it is I'm going to do here, because I want it to be a surprise when I release the final video of the Mermaid Blythe. And anyway, also something else that came with this doll was the eyechips for her, which are in this. I got 2 different sets of eyechips because I thought they would work best for 2 different sets because I liked them both and thought they would work good for the what I'm planning on doing. So these are one set I got. They're kind of like galaxy eyes. Lots of green in here, I'm noticing. And then this other set, which is kind of some other cool stuff, also kind of spacey. Okay, this is gonna have to move over here because it's not exactly in frame. Hold on, these are some cool eye chips. I think I'm planning on using some of the purple and blue ones. And I'm not sure if I'm going to have her eyes match in each head or if she's gonna have like 2 different eye thingies. But some of my favorite eyes that she has, or that I got, are just kind of setting them on my hand to show you. Trying to make sure I don't get any weird reflections. But these are some of my favorite ones. They're all kind of the similar color scheme, but these might be what I put in her head. I don't know. But yeah, that's all. This is just kind of a short little video. So hopefully you enjoyed watching it. Bye.